Hey everyone, and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. I hope everyone is doing well, having a great day the last year in 2021. I haven't done any sales or anything like that as far as putting on a flash sale or anything like that on my courses, but I decided that I wanted to do something really special for you guys. Any subscribers or viewers of the channel that may have wanted to pick up some of my courses but just have not been able to, or they're a little too pricey. I've put every single one of my courses, I have 4 premium courses, and I've put them all on 60% off only for the next like 2 days. Let's just call it, I'll give you till January 2nd in order to pick these up. So this is my latest course, how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software, and I just put it on 60% discount, so you can pick this up right now for 23 bucks. My next course is Fiverr Profits Academy, one of my top selling courses, and I put it on 60% discount. So there's a Fiverr Profits Academy standard version, and it comes with 20 training videos. You can pick this up for just 10 bucks. I mean, it's a no-brainer. Learn how to start making your first money online using Fiverr. And I take you inside of my account and all the money that I've made over thousands and thousands of dollars on Fiverr. You can learn from someone that actually did it. There is a Fiverr Profits Academy Platinum, which will give you the upgrade where it basically teaches you like a very special secret way that you can earn money very quickly on just auto delivering stuff. So you don't even have to really work and you make money. That one is normally 64 bucks. You can get that for 25 bucks today. So Fiverr Profits Academy is my next course. The next course is Small YouTube Big Profits, and you can get this for 10 bucks. I mean, this is a course that I could easily sell for 100 bucks or more. The value or anything like that is not less than my next course I'm going to be showing you, but this one I just launched at the $27 price point, and it always was there. And like I said, this could be a premium course. This is hours of training. I think it's 3 hours over the shoulder content, teaching you how I started making thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, before the channel was even, before Teach Me Money Methods was even, monetized, right? Didn't even have 1,000 subscribers. Right here, I tell you in the copy, I started making the product and started selling and doing affiliate marketing around 500 subscribers. And during that next time, I made like $13,000 before it was even monetized. So a really awesome course. You can watch the intro and all that as well. So pick that up for 10 bucks. It's a no-brainer. And then also my Pride and Joy PLR Profits Academy. No one teaches this, how to make money with PLR. So many different methods in this course. And this is my top selling course over the last year and a half. This course has just been done amazing, and you can see it has 16 ratings. Actually, very few people actually give it ratings. I've had a lot of sales on this right here, and a lot of people have paid the $97 right here. You can get this for just $37 if you sign up over the next 2 days. Super awesome stuff. So once again, you can pick up any of these courses. All of them are on 60% discount only for the next 2 days. It's December 31st. I'll give you till January 2nd. At some point during that January 2nd, I will remove these links and they will go back to normal pricing. I just want to do something special for you guys. If you wanted to jump in and learn a new skill, every one of these has to do with making money a different way, right? All these ways are the ways that I've made money online. And you can pick up all these courses or the one that interests you and go out there and make 2022 the year that you take action in your business and go out there and actually learn this new skill and then take action and be consistent. Nothing's going to happen for you online if you're not realistic about the project, if you're not realistic about the approach, and you are not consistent, right? You need to pick one of these methods and be consistent on a daily basis, and you can. I used to dream of being able to do this online thing, and I wanted to do it full time. And at the end of 2020, I was able to leave my job as a director and I was a materials director at my company. I was able to leave that company and do this full time, live out my dreams, and I have ultimate freedom. The coolest thing about doing this is that you make your own schedule. You don't answer to anybody. You don't have to call in sick. You can take off as much time as you want, and it's just amazing. I couldn't encourage someone that wants to do this more. But you have to go out there. You have to want it. You have to be motivated, and you do have to work. None of this is going to be handed to you on a silver platter. You do have to work for it, and anybody can do it though. So go pick up one of my courses, 60% off. I have not done this the entire year, and I probably won't. This is just an end of the year special. Wanted to do something special for you guys. Once again, I appreciate all of you, all of my subscribers on this channel. I know that we've done a lot of different things this year, and I haven't been posting a lot of videos on this channel. I'm trying to decide the direction of this channel. I have been focusing on some other channels of mine that are really taking off, and it's really, really exciting. I want to share some of that with you guys on this channel. And I think what I'm thinking about doing with this channel is really focusing on the making money with YouTube method, because I'm making a lot of money with affiliate marketing and YouTube, and not like just what I promote on this channel when I do a product review or something like that. I actually have another YouTube channel where I do reviews, and it's really taking off, and it's bringing in very steady thousands of dollars a month. And if I could show you guys how you can go out there, attack YouTube, and start making money, that's probably what I'm going to start really diving into on Teach Me Money Methods. So drop a comment below. Just tell me what you think. Tell me if you're going to pick up any of these courses. I haven't heard from a lot of you in a long time. Please leave a comment. If you made it this far into the video, I'd really appreciate it. Hit that like button. And once again, close out this new year, and hope you guys have a great evening. And going into 2022, I hope everybody prospers, and I just hope everybody is well and fit and healthy. And let's make 2020 year a year that we all go out after our dreams and make some really good money online. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.